Maharaja Ranjit Singh was named the greatest world leader of all time in BBC World History magazine poll, beating the likes of Abraham Lincoln and Winston Churchill. This video is a tribute to the late Maharaja Ranjit Singh.
As Randeep Singh, in collaboration with History Simplified, presents to you
Sher-e-Punjab Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was born on 13 November 1780 to Maha Singh Sukrachana and Rajkaur at Gujranwala, Pakistan. At an early infant stage, he contracted with smallpox, which resulted in the loss of his left eye. But this didn't stop him from becoming one of the most influential leaders of his times. He took on to the battlefield at an age of 10. After the death of his father, he fought several wars against the Afghans. He united the 12 misls to unify Punjab to create the Sikh Empire and was crowned the Maharaja of Punjab at an age of 21 in 1801. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was dedicated to the beautification of Harminder Sahib and enshrined it with gold and marbles. In 1806, the Treaty of Amritsar was signed between the British officials and Maharaja Ranjit Singh. The treaty confirmed that Maharaja Singh kingdom was confined to the south of Satluj, whereas the British officials would not enter his kingdom. Meanwhile, Maharaja Ranjit Singh continued to strengthen his army. In his effort to modernize and train his army, he recruited several European commanders, especially from France, to modernize his army. His army was believed to be second most powerful standing army in subcontinent. Several wars were fought between 1813 till 1837 between the Sikhs and the Afghans. The Sikhs won the Battle of Attock in 1813, hence capturing it. They extended their siege at Multan in 1880 and got a decisive victory. Subsequent battles were fought in 1819 and 1823 in Nowshera and Shopaiya to win over Kashmir. The Sikh Empire now extended from the Khyber Pass in the west to western Tibet in the east and from Minat Kot in the south to Kashmir in the north.
Stick around to watch my teaser of Kuch Is Tarha, that is a beautiful poetic short film.
Maharaja fortified Khyber Pass, which was the traditional route for entry of invaders. His general Sardar Hari Singh Nalwa fought valiantly against the Afghan invader, sacrificed his life but successfully defended the post. Maharaja Ranjit Singh restored Shah Surja Durrani to the throne of Afghanistan. As a gift for his help, Shah Surja Durrani gifted the Kohinoor to him. The untimely demise of Maharaja in 1839 saw a vacuum of power in the Sikh Empire. He was succeeded by his son Khadak Singh. No one could fill the shoes of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, and ultimately, with the Second Anglo-Sikh War, the Sikh Empire came to an end.
Even today, after so many years, why do we remember Maharaja Ranjit Singh? Because of his love and passion for the masses and being the only Maharaja who restrained British army getting control over his area. The Sikh Empire under his reign remains a pinnacle and a symbol of strength, love, secularism, harmony, and prosperity. Presenting to you, as promised, the teaser of my first poetic short film. करते हैं बयां यहाँ के मंजर वो कुछ इस तरह कि यहाँ की खूबसूरती का जिक्र करते हुए लोग होते हैं खौफज़दा.
Full video is presented to you by S. Randeep Singh Vlogs. You can find it in the description below. For now, it's goodbye from History Simplified.